Here in Scotland, we have some of the best beaches in the entire world, but sometimes we jet off to Spain or to the Caribbean looking for that golden white sand, forgetting that some of the best are right here, near to where we live. Today, I'm off to find one of the hidden gems, only half an hour's drive away, Tinningham Beach. I believe it is absolutely superb. Fancy joining me? Welcome to Rog Vlog. Never been to Tinningham Beach before, so I don't know much about it. But I do know that when you get there, the car park is quite a walk away from the beach itself. So it's a quick 30-minute drive across to North Berwick, and then a little bit down the coast, and we'll be there. And that's us. We're here. This information board shows you the routes through the woods to the beach. It's going to take between 15 and 20 minutes to walk there. The car park's quite a long way from the beach, so we've got a beautiful brisk walk here through the woods. But the good thing is, because I've never been here before, and because the car park is so far away from the beach, I don't know what to expect, so it's going to be a complete surprise when I get there. There are a number of ways that you can approach the beach. One way is to go along this tree-lined avenue, and I think that takes you onto the cliff tops. Whereas if I was to go this way, I think that takes us right onto the golden sands themselves. I just want to see this beautiful beach, so this is the way I'm going to go. We'll deal with the cliffs later. The anticipation's really building. I can't wait to see this beach, and I've just caught my first whiff of salty sea air. Oh, fantastic, can't wait. Now I can see the sea as well as smell that salty air. So are you ready for what people say is the best beach in southern Scotland? Oh my goodness, this is spectacular. I wasn't expecting it to be just quite so expansive. The beach must be a good mile, if not longer than that. And look at these amazing cliffs in the background, and over there in the distance, Bass Rock. Yes, that amazing seabird sanctuary that you can see from North Berwick. Let's go and explore more. The tide was going out, so it made the beach look even bigger, and it exposed these rocks that I tried to clamber gently over. This is truly, truly spectacular. You know, I grew up being told that the best beaches were in the Mediterranean or in the Caribbean, but honestly, this is amazing. And I can't believe I've never been here before, even though I've lived in Scotland for 27 years. This is amazing. I just can't get over how incredible this beach is. course, the thing is, if this was the Mediterranean, or if this was the Caribbean, there'd be loads of hotels and beach bars and loads of people. This place is absolutely deserted. Now, I know it's only April and we're still technically in lockdown, but wow, I just love this wide open space. Well, I've already walked a mile, and there's at least another mile of this beach as it sweeps around towards Bass Rock. And look at those waves! Absolutely beautiful today. Well, it's not often that I'm completely gobsmacked, but you know what? I'm gobsmacked. That beach is incredible. They were right. It is definitely one of the best beaches in South Scotland. I have to go home now because I've got some meetings, but I will definitely be back for a longer visit in the future. If you enjoyed this episode of Rog Vlog, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, remember, there's always something to see, so get out there and find it.